Hey everyone, in today's video guys, I'll walk you through how to reactivate your Uber driver account in just a few simple steps. If you have received a notification saying that your Uber account has been deactivated or suspended, don't worry guys, it's usually something you can fix pretty quickly, so let's get started. The first guys, you want to actually understand why your account was deactivated, okay? So it's actually important to know why your account was deactivated. Common reasons include violations of Uber's terms of service, missing documentation or failed background checks. Once you know the reason, it's easier to figure out the next steps. So you want to actually check your email or notifications, okay? Uber typically sends an email or notification within the app to explain why your account was deactivated. So you want to check your inbox for any communication from Uber. If you can't find it in your primary inbox, make sure to actually check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes Uber gives you instructions on how to reactivate your account right in the email, right? So if Uber gives you specific instructions, what you want to do is you want to just follow them closely. For example, if it's something to do with background check issues, if it was a background check issue, you may need to provide some additional documents or updates. You'll likely be prompted to upload documents directly through the Uber driver app. And if your account was deactivated due to a violation or Uber's policies, you may need to appeal or resolve the matter directly with Uber support team. And then what you can do, guys, if you want to contact Uber support, if you can't find specific instructions or the instructions doesn't work, your next step is actually to reach out, to Uber support team. So this is how you do it, guys. You just open up the Uber driver app, tap on the help section, and then scroll to find the account and payment section, then select account deactivation. From there, guys, you want to follow the prompts to contact Uber support or request an appeal, right? You can also reach Uber by visiting their support website or calling their customer support number. And then, guys, if necessary, if your account was deactivated due to a policy violation or any other reason, you might be able to actually submit an appeal, right? You can do this through the help section in the Uber app or by following the instructions Uber provides in their email or message. Just be polite and clear when explaining your case. And you want to actually provide any additional documentation that Uber might need, and they'll basically review your request. And then last, guys, okay, after submitting your appeal, basically Uber will typically get back to you within a few days. And if they approve your reactivation, guys, your account will be reactivated and you will be able to start driving again. But if they deny it, guys, they will usually provide any details on why, and you can decide whether to accept the decision or continue working with Uber support for a conclusion, guys. So, guys, that's how you reactivate your Uber driver account. It might take a little time, but by following the steps and being patient, you should be able to back on the road in no time, guys. And if this video helps, make sure you don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, guys, put them down in the comments below, and I'll help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel.